Trendrevel Services Ltd provide geotechnical and environmental consultancy services to landowners to bring decommissioned quarry sites back into use for either residential, commercial or mixed development purposes. Our team will assess the area and provide a detailed plan on how to reinvigorate, restore and reuse the land for the benefit of the community and the local wildlife. We have been involved for the last 19 years in numerous former sand quarry sites in and around Leighton Buzzard, Bedfordshire, as well as former ball clay quarry sites in Devon. All of our quarry remediation and quarry restoration services are based on a comprehensive study alongside a geotechnical appraisal and a site contamination assessment. We coordinate any environmental and hydrological aspects with specialist consultants and install and monitor groundwater monitoring wells. Trendrevel Services Ltd develop a restoration quality assurance plan and specification in accordance with the regulatory requirements and those of NHBC or other building control insurers. To find out more, contact our team today. Trendrevel, give your project the best possible start.